Here's what I had for dinner last night. I made chicken bacon ranch salad wrap. Here I am crumbling up the bacon. I baked mine in the oven. I'm using around 5 to 6 strips of bacon. I bake mine in the oven for 400 for 15 to 20 minutes. I add how much you want to. Here I am feeding a family of 3, so I do add around 5 to 6 slices. I add around 5 to 6 chicken strips. I air fried mine. You can cook yours in the oven, bake them, or air fry. I chose to air fry. I added enough for a family of 3. I diced them up into pieces. It's up to you how much you want or what sizes you want. Then I start getting the tortilla ready. I add around 2 slices of cheese to each tortilla. They are white American. I add ranch dressing. It's up to your preference how much you want. I add a little bit at a time. This one was around a little over half a cup, if I had to say. And then I'd mix it until I think it's, wetting all the lettuce. You don't want it to be soggy, so I add a little bit at a time. I mix it and mix it and mix it until, give it a good mix so it gets incorporated all over until you're liking. You don't want it really soggy. And then I add until I like it and think it's done. And then I will assemble them and I will toast the wraps when they are done. Here I am assembling. It's up to you. And yes, I wash my hands. It's up to how much you want for each wrap. I do a good amount. And then I made another one. I make up to about 3 of them. And there's a little bit left. And then I just assemble them, roll them up. It's not easy. And then I will toast these on the burner for a good, just to get a good sear on it. Now I used wraps. I used tortillas. You can buy wraps if you want. I didn't have access to it. I keep going until I got the 3 wraps done. And then I will toast them and then cut them up. These are my favorite to have for dinner. Any chance that I can have these, I try. Here they are done. I had toasted them. They are done. I had put toothpicks in them on each side to hold it together from when I cut it in the middle. They are so good. I'm telling you, you'll love it. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think about it if you make it. But I ended up doing a side of corn and I did chicken strip that was left over on the side. There was 1 chicken strip for each person. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let me know, please, in the comments. Thank you for watching.